how are you all? I hope you all must be enjoying this starting of winter season if I am not wrong. Okay, if you are watching me for the first time, then hi, I am Ananya and you are welcome to this channel which is Okay, so today in this video we are going to talk about my most favorite face wash, and I have uploaded my most favorite moisturizer video before. If you have not checked that out, then I will give that link up. Don't forget to check that out as well. And today one thing I really want to clear from the beginning, that all the face wash today I am going to show you all are budget friendly, or you can say under 500 rupees. Yeah, so if you want to know what are my favorite face washes under 500, then continue watching. Okay, so before going to show my face washes, one more thing is there guys, just ignore my wet hairs and my eyes and voice as well, because I am suffering from cold. That's why maybe my voice sounds so different today, and also I look so different today. Last face wash, which is my absolutely favorite one, or you can say I'm just loving these days, is this Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash with tea tree and neem, and this one is for acne and pimples. So yeah, this one is the face wash which I am talking about. And this one is dermatologically tested and also for all skin types, and no paraben, no sulfate and no cruelty as well. And you can definitely try this out if you are from oily or dry skin as well, because I belongs to dry skin family, and also I love this one because it does not feel that dry at all. And the best part about this face wash is it will give you a complete fresh kind of feeling for you. And I know everyone is using twice or thrice face wash in a day, and we need a good face wash for our skin. And I just love recently this Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. And as you guys know, tea tree and neem are the vital part in face wash. And also one more best part about this face wash is no fragrance is there, like no artificial fragrance are there. Like if you are someone who is allergic to smell or perfume, then it will going to the right choice for you all. And also the ingredients are quite good, and also the ingredients are natural, which will helps to remove the excess oil in your face. And this one is for rupees 249, and I guess 250 rupees is worth for this face wash. And use this twice a day. It will completely goes for a month. And this one is my highly recommendation from you for Mamaearth. Like if you want to try any face products from Mamaearth, then go for this one. Or it has some other variants like Upton, Coco, and there are other variants, but I love this tea tree and neem face wash especially, so I don't recommend those Upton and Coco because I have not used that. Also one more thing guys, I am not going to suggest those products which I have not used. I am only going to recommend those which I have used personally and I just loved. Okay, that's why I am going to recommend you to try this one, not those two other variants. If you will want, then I will provide some discount coupon code from Mamaearth, because I have lot of code from Mamaearth they are providing. I don't know why, but if you want, then DM me on WhatsApp or Instagram. I will give you some coupon code if you want to order something from Mamaearth. So yeah, let's move to the second face wash which I am going to show you from my all-time favorite face wash is this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. And this one is for normal to oily skin. If you are from dry skin family, don't go for this one, because I am from dry skin family, but this one is for oily skin, I know. Still I love this one. I just don't know why, but this face wash is just wow for me. And I don't know why I love those coffee range variant from every brand, and that's why maybe I love this one. But this one is not highly recommendation. Like मुझे अच्छा लगा, it does not mean कि आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगेगा. But yeah, if you want to try some good face wash and if you want to try something from M Caffeine, go for their face mask. That one is super good. But I won't recommend wash from M Caffeine brand. And as you know, this one is the fast caffeinated personal care brand, and ingredients are super good. And yeah, this one is free from everything, and also dermatologically tested, which is the best part, and also not tested on animals. Yeah, you have seen this one on my IGTV whenever I uploaded my daily skincare or something on a skincare routine. Yeah, something like that. I will give the link of that video in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Okay guys, as well as follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and this one is for rupees 349 and yeah, a little bit pricey according to the face wash, but chilta hai, koi nahi. But anyone from my viewers are from oily skin, go for this one because I have dry skin. That's why I feel so dry after washing the face. But if you are oily skin, it will be the perfect choice for you. And I have suggested 2-3 people on my Instagram to try this out. But if you don't have oily skin like normal skin or sensitive skin or dry skin, don't go for this one particularly. If you have oily skin, then do try. Now let's talk about the third face wash, which is my all-time favorite, or you can say I am just obsessed over this one. And you have recently seen this face wash on my daily skincare routine on Instagram. So yeah, this one is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bionin Purifying Face Wash, which prevents pimples and for all skin types. Guys, if you have not tried this Biotique face wash, then just do try on my recommendation, because whenever I started using this one and I have completely done with the face wash. As you can see, I just put the bottle for this video. Trust me, because as I told in the good vibes video, whatever is finished, I just threw that out. But for video, I have put this one and just go for this face wash, guys. Like, if you'll ask me from all the face wash which is my most recommendable face wash, then I will go for this Biotique one. Such a mild, gentle and not at all heavy, and does not feel that dry on your face. So if you are from oily, dry, sensitive, super sensitive or acne prone, whatever the skin type you have, just go for this one. Unisex as well. And the best part about is it is not a cosmetic product. As I told in the moisturizer video that Biotique Mani Nectar have some therapeutic properties. Also written here that it is not a cosmetic product, it has therapeutic properties. And one more best part about this face wash is this is completely soap free. सोप फ्री होने से फेस वॉश अगर उसमें से ज़्यादा फोम नहीं निकल रहा है ना, it will the best face wash for you. And it is also mentioned here that it is completely soap free, and I have used it, and I can't tell you guys how much I like this Biotique face wash. So just go for this one, and their ingredients and everything is just written here, and the price is 240 rupees. And trust me guys, 240 के लिए this face wash is just the best. So yeah, you can go for this one. My most recommendable face wash for all time, literally for all time. To the another face wash, and you can say I'm recently using this one, and this is this Aroma Magic Blossom Kocha face wash. Yeah, I'm recently using this particular one, and this one is for oily skin especially. I know I have dry skin, but I heard a lot about this face wash, so I just let's try this out. But yeah, the only negative part about this face wash is it's too dry, and it is also written here that for oily skin. It is completely written here for oily skin. So if anyone from oily skin family, just go for this one, and this is super budget friendly, just for ₹170. And अगर कुछ offers and discounts चल रहा होगा तो you can easily get it for ₹140. Yeah, if I am not wrong. And this one is helps you to control your acne and oil balancing. And it is not made of harmful chemicals, paraben, alcohol, artificial fragrance, and if you are allergic to smell or if you are allergic to perfume, no need to worry about this face wash. Oily skin people, just grab this one especially. So yeah, this one is the best in the affordable range, and I am quite happy with my purchase. Like, it does not feel that much dry, but yeah, after using face wash I feel a little bit dry, because it is written here na that for oily skin, but after applying a moisturizer I am good to go. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchase, and does not have any side effects at all, and highly recommendation for oily skin people. Go for this one. Like, if you are searching for a budget friendly face wash for oily skin, go for this one. And thank me later. Let's move to the last face wash from this video, and this is none other than my absolutely favorite face wash for all time, and this is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. And when I uploaded my Nykaa haul video, some of my friends on WhatsApp asked me to review about this particular wow face wash. I thought I will make a separate video, but I will give my honest opinion here. And this one is no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones and no color as well. Suits all skin type, dermatologically tested, made in India, which is the best part about a face wash. Like if you are using an Indian brand, nothing is better than this. Because Indian brands are so underrated. I found there are a lot of Indian brands which are new to market maybe, but they are so underrated. Why I don't know. And their products are just amazing. Still, they are not on the trend, and they are not at all that much famous. So yeah, just go and support Indian brand. It helps to brighten skin tone and also helps fade a spots, reduce fine lines, helps smoothen complexation. So yeah, just go for this face wash, and this is just a mild, and the best part about this face wash, as you all know, this brush. And क्या होता है गाइज, जब मैं इस फेस वॉश को यूज़ करी थी, एंड अभी कुछ 20 डेज या 30 डेज ही होंगे मैं इसको नहीं यूज़ करी, लाइक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट डन. आई थिंक इज inside the bottle. After using this brush, whenever I am using this Aroma one recently, as I talked before, I don't know why I don't feel satisfied, because this brush is just love guys. आप उसको ऐसे यूज़ करोगे तो यू विल गेट अ डिफरेंस दैट ओ माई गॉड, हैंड्स से ऐसे करने से तो अच्छा है कि दिस ब्रश. आई जस्ट विश कि एवरी फेस वॉश में अगर ये ब्रश आ जाए ना तो क्या बात है. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ purchasing another wow face wash for me, but let's see. I have that Mamaearth and Aroma one, so let me finish that one, and after that I am going to reorder this wow one. And I don't know why guys, they don't have much fancy fragrance as well, and they don't have any side effects as well. So that's why I just love this one. And also this particular wow face wash has essential oils of lemon and orange, which will restore skin radiance. Maybe because of that, whenever I was using this particular wow face wash, I saw a glowing effect after using this face wash. Like whenever you will wash your face, you will definitely see some glowing effect. Maybe I was observing that one. I don't know about others, but this one is a highly recommendation one. But Biotic is always the number one. But if you want anything from wow, or if you want to try anything from wow, just go and try this out. And I am not a big fan of wow brand, because मुझे उनका बॉडी वॉश बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा. लाइक इतना ज़्यादा हाई ओवररेटेड स्मेल था कि मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. बट I love the face wash. Like this is just my honest opinion that I love this wow face wash. So this one is just for rupees 399. Yeah, but in discount time maybe 349 or 360. Okay, price doesn't matter here. But yeah, this one is for rupees 399. And as I told in the beginning that today I am going to show you the face wash which are under 500. So yeah, that this one is also under 500 rupees. If you want to try anything from wow brand, then just go for this face wash and thank me later. Before going to end this video, I really want to say something here that I have used a lot of face wash, like the Pond's face wash, the Himalaya face wash, which is all-time favorite face wash of everyone around there. Like all I've used their initial days, the Himalaya face wash, right? The neem one, the orange one. And my mama also using that Himalaya orange face wash now. The face wash I saw today, they all are just my recent favorite. And I am someone who keeps changing my face wash every month. Like I have ordered Mamaearth Tea Tree. After finishing that face wash within 1 month, whenever I am going to order my next face wash, I don't prefer to order same face wash. I don't know why. And I only reorder Biotic one. So try that Pond's. You can also try Himalaya face wash. Also a brand which is named as Simple. You all know maybe. Okay, if you have super sensitive skin or you have more than sensitive skin, so I just highly recommend that Simple face wash for you all, because I have not that bottle with me. I have used that Simple face wash 1 year before, but trust me guys, that face wash is just love. And I have also seen that so many YouTubers were praising a lot. If you want, then you can check that out, review as well. I have not that bottle, that's why I am not talking about this one in this video. But I just want to confess that yeah, there is a face wash from Simple brand. Just go for that one if you have sensitive skin. That face is just best. And if you have small bumps on face, or if you have super acne skin problem, and if you are from combination skin family as well, go for that Simple face wash. That one is too good. Small recommendation from my side that if you have sensitive skin, go for that Simple face wash as well. Yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you people like this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you people will get a notification whenever I will upload a video on my channel. And yeah, also share the video as much as you can. Let me know in the comment section below that which faces is your favorite, and show your love as always. See you all in my next video. Till then,